Hey everybody, it's Bobby here on the Paula Deen channel at YouTube, and I've got another great recipe for you today that is a little bit seasonal. It's perfect for this time of year, really hearty, and your friends are gonna love it, especially if you're sitting around watching the big game or the Braves or the Bulldogs, or whatever the case may be. It is a Vidalia onion cheese dip, and this is from one of my mom's magazines. My mom's magazines are super popular, and they have just tons and tons of great recipes that are simple, delicious, and just full of flavor. So the Vidalia onion cheese dip, let's take a look at what is involved here. 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, and these have been sitting out on the countertop, so they've softened a little bit. They're not, straight cold blocks of ice from the refrigerator. Got some fontina cheese, also Vidalia onion, and some mayonnaise. And, of course, about 8 pieces of nice crispy bacon. This recipe has a lot of mixing involved and not much else to it. We're gonna bake it off in the oven when we finish mixing everything. So let's just go ahead and get started. Our 8 ounces of cream cheese, and our twin other 8 ounces of cream cheese. And to that, I'm gonna go ahead and add the whole jar. This is 8 ounces, so it's 1 cup of mayonnaise. This is not a recipe that you're gonna eat all alone. You're gonna invite some friends to share this with you, because you don't wanna eat the whole thing. All right, Mom has got a, nice selection of tools here. This one's too big. Oh, look at that. Made it work. Made it work. Uh-oh. Technical error. I'll be right back. So I performed a simple surgery on this mayonnaise jar to get the head of that spatch out. It was not easy. It was a spatchendectomy to get to it. But we got it. So let's see, 8 ounces of mayonnaise, and you don't want to waste a drop. If you've got a little bit left in there, then make yourself a sandwich. And whatever your favorite brand of mayonnaise is, you see the one my mama likes. This is what she's got here in the house. So our mayonnaise and cream cheese. Let's go ahead and start to beat this together. Let's go ahead, excuse me. Let's go ahead and beat our cream cheese and mayonnaise mixture together. Okay, let's add to that our fontina cheese. And I think I might just use the spatula the rest of the way. Now that we've got that soft cream cheese and mayonnaise mixed together, I think what I'll do is just use a spatula and sort of fold all this stuff together. All that mayo off. There we go. And Vidalia onions, if you don't know, if you're not from around here, Vidalia onions are the most beautiful, delicious, sweet onion ever. And they're grown right here in the city of Vidalia, just down the road from Savannah. And they are wonderful. And seasonal, you can't get them year round. They only grow at certain times of the year. Just fold, fold, fold. You can see my fontina cheese is getting married in there with my cream cheese and my mayonnaise. Looking good. Getting married. Coming together. And you could still use your hand mixer at this point if you wanted to, but, a little elbow grease never hurts. Now to that, we'll add our onion. That's a big, big old sweet Vidalia onion. And if you have problems with your eyes watering on you while you're chopping your onion, you could always chew a piece of gum, and that really helps a lot to cut down on your eyes watering and crying. My mom has even got some really funny, I don't know if she still got them or not, but she used to have some really funny looking onion cutting glasses. Maybe some of you remember. We used to pull them out from time to time on Mom's show. They were really funny. We all wore them one time or another. So we'll just hand mix this. That is looking really, really good. Like I said, if you wanted some roasted red pepper, would really be nice in this, or whatever else you can imagine. Okay, I think that we've done a nice job with that. And we have got a small baking dish here, and I've sprayed it with a little bit of olive oil, hoping that we don't stick. And we'll just go ahead and, sorry Teresa, I'm sort of pulling away from it.
That's okay. It's gonna be gooey and
gooey, hot, and delicious. Oh, what a great mix. If you're liking well, like I said, if you're liking football season, or if you're enjoying watching those good old Atlanta Braves, at this time of year, though, man, October, I think October might be the best month out of the, excuse me, late September going into October. These might be the best sports months, and also my favorite weather months out of the year, too, I think. But as far as sports is concerned, if you're a sports fan, September and October, you got it all. You got college football, you got baseball, you got NFL, you got all sorts of stuff going on. And this is a perfect dip. This is looking more like a casserole. But look how good. It's so creamy. And you can imagine now, we're going to put this into a 350 degree oven. We're going to bake it for probably about 30 minutes. I think that's what the recipe calls for. 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. We'll check it at 30. Mama's oven kind of cooks hot. So that looks really, really good. I'm gonna dirty up my hands here. So my hands are clean. Don't worry, they're clean. They've been washed. And I'm about to wash them again. Right after I pop this Vidalia onion, cream cheese, mayonnaise. I forgot the bacon. I'll put the bacon right on top. You watch how I do it. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna crumble it and put it right on top. So I've got my mixture in the pan here, and the bacon is going to come afterwards. We'll bake this in a 350 degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then when it comes out, I'll cut up and sprinkle that bacon all over the top of it. It's going to be fantastic. So we'll take a little break. Our Vidalia onion cheese dip has come out of the oven. It's golden brown. It smells wonderful. It looks so good. And the last step is I've got my chopped bacon here. Got 6 slices of crispy bacon. I'm just going to evenly spread it across the top of that dip. This is going to be fantastic. Nice and even. Don't want any empty spots. Ooh, that looks good. Let's give it a taste. Look at that. Creamy, delicious. Smells like Vidalia onion. Look at that cheese dripping. Oh boy. Oh my God.
forgot how good it was, didn't you?
Man, I don't eat like that every day. I could overdo it. That is so good. Make this when you get a chance. Until next time, I'm Bobby. See you later. Woo.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.